Welcome everybody to Cooking with Poppy.
Today my granddaughters, Guinevere and Arwen, will be helping me make smash burger Big Mac tacos. Be sure to leave a comment below and let us know what you think of this video. And most importantly,
Like and subscribe
to our channel. Let's get started, shall we? First, let's start with a couple leaves of lettuce. Then we're just going to kind of roll it up. Next, I'm going to dice up about half of this red
onion.
And let's set this to the side. Next, we need to mix up some of that Big Mac special sauce. So let's start with a half a cup of mayonnaise. Next, we go 2 tablespoons of mustard. And 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Add 1 teaspoon of onion salt, a half teaspoon of vinegar, a half teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now let's just give that a good mix. I'll be using 80-20 ground beef today. That's a good fat ratio for smash burgers. Gonna weigh out about 2-ounce balls. Roll them up, but not too tight. And I'll just continue the process. I should end up with enough for about 8 patties. Funnest part about making smash burgers is smashing that burger. You want to get a nice sear on that. I'm going to hold it down for 7 or 8 seconds. More burger, another piece of parchment paper, and smash that burger. You really want to press down for several seconds to ensure good contact with the grill and a really good sear. These are going to cook pretty fast. I'm probably going to flip them after only 2 minutes. These are already smelling
Muy bueno.
We're going to use a real simple seasoning of just some salt and pepper. It's been 2 minutes, so we're going to carefully get up under these burgers and give them a flip. Just look at the color on those patties. Nothing but flavor. Now I'm going to add just a little bit of Colby Jack
cheese.
Now we are going to add 1
tortilla
on each patty. Going to press it down just a little bit. A little bit more Colby Jack cheese. Then we're going to add another
tortilla.
Again, we're going to press it down. This side has cooked for about 2 minutes, so let's carefully flip this patty over. And now we're going to add a slice of American
cheese.
Gonna add a little water onto my grill so I can melt that
cheese.
And just after a few seconds, the cheese should be melted and we should be good. Gonna put them up on my taco holder and then push them down in there to get that taco shape. Gotta be really careful. These are hot. I don't want to burn myself because that would be
no bueno.
Let's take them inside and add all the toppings. Let's go ahead and add some diced red onion. Some chopped up lettuce. A couple of pickle slices. And let's not forget that special sauce. And there you have Smash Burger Big Mac Tacos. We hope you enjoyed our video today, and as always,
thanks for coming, everybody.
It is so time to eat.